What's up everyone, Nick at MarineMax in Nisswa and Crosslake. Today we have a special guest, Miss Avery. She's gonna help us show you a little bit of the pet-friendly features that are on these Barletta pontoons. The most obvious feature is obviously those doggy dock view doors. Makes it really nice so your dog's not looking over the edges of the boat, but it has that bow and port side view. Plus it's convenient as a driver when you're pulling up to the dock. Not only is the fold-out table and the chase lounger convenient for your snacks and beverages, it also creates a nice shaded area for your furry friend. And Avery's favorite feature, the integrated pet dish. Last but not least, we do have our pet-friendly ladders that are newly redesigned in 2024. You can check out your Barletta pontoons at our Nisswa or our Crosslake locations. Remember, it's Pontoon Week. We hope to see you soon. Stop by and come check these out.